So today we are going to look at this Apple Watch Nike Plus Series 3. It's 38 space gray edition. It's an aluminum watch and with the same black colored band. So the difference between this and Series 3 is not too much, or in terms of hardware it's absolutely zero. The only difference is you get different bands, and those bands are right now not available to be brought from Apple Store. And also what you don't get is some of the faces which are only exclusive with the Nike band. So we'll just unlock this. Go. So first thing to notice is you have got designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. So if you have normal Series 3, you will get only designed by Apple and no Nike and no athletes at all. So here is the watch. Comes in a normal plastic hard paper kind of a thing, and we have got a brick. So if you can see this, it's similar to one which we previously used to get, so nothing different over there. And magnetic charging. So this comes with the plastic thing, and if you have a stainless steel watch, then you will get the one with a better finish. So let's see what's inside all these things. So again, the literature, it says that Apple Nike watch, and how to charge it, how the faces look, digital crown and other things. And what you have is some more literature, and again the bands. So basically what we have is, we have two bands over here. One is for the longer and other is for the shorter. So that's it. We had just planned to do an unboxing, which we have done. Maybe in another video I'll do a review and share it with you. Thanks for watching.